The break, he will plant a tree and be matched by his local principality, which had been bedevilled by fires. Well, as the flame was lit on the narrow roads, and it was a difficult day for many. Lotto Soudal suffering more than bumps and bruises. With 17 kilometres to go, though, we're on the old airfield, and an intermediate sprint was out there. Mads Pedersen showing his desire for Trek Segafredo. Also up towards the front was Sam Bennett. And into town we came. A whole sequence of roundabouts to be dealt with. A high-paced vortex that finally unwound with a couple of kilometres to go. The sprinters surely would come to the fore, and all eyes were on the Belgian tricolor. He was rubbing shoulders with Dan McLay in the bright yellow. Maybe lost a bit of rhythm. Sam Bennett, though, didn't lose a beat. And Danny Van Poppel gave the perfect lead out for the Irishman. It was a spectacular